Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, you don't have permission to shut down and restart this computer. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit. Click Computer Configuration. Click and expand Windows Settings. Click and expand Security Settings. Click and expand Local Policies. Click Security Options. Open User Account Control, run all administrators in admin approval mode. Check Enabled. Click Apply, OK. Close and exit Group Policy Editor. Type shutdown space -r, space -t, space 00. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.